In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together. By the end, you'll be able to create a clear, clickable connection between two tasks so your team can jump back and forth without hunting around. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your hub where all your work lives. From here, you'll see the option to create new items at the top. If you're setting up something from scratch, you can use the Create button, but if your boards are already set, simply open the board where the cards live. Click into the board you want to work in so you're looking at the lists and cards. Next, open the card you want to use as the source of the link. Think of this as the card you'll be pointing from. With the card open, look to the top of the card window for the three-dot menu. This is the card's options menu, and it holds all sorts of handy actions. Click it, then select Share. The Share panel gives you a direct URL that points to this exact card. In the Share panel, locate the section labeled Link to this card. This is the permanent link that anyone with access to the board can use. Click to copy the link. If there's a copy button, use that. Otherwise, highlight the URL and copy it to your clipboard. This URL is your bridge between cards. Close the card you just copied from, then navigate to the other card, the one you want to connect to the first. Open that card so you can edit its content. In the description area, click to edit and paste the link you copied. It's a good idea to give the link context, for example by adding a short line like related card, followed by the link. Save your changes. Once saved, Trello will display the link in the description so teammates can click it and jump straight to the related card. This simple connection helps keep dependencies, references, and related work visible and easy to access. If the link doesn't appear clickable right away, make sure you save the description after pasting and that you copied the entire URL. A few quick tips to keep this clean and useful. Use clear wording around the link so people know why the cards are connected, and paste the link near the top of the description for visibility. This method works across lists and even across boards as long as the viewer has permission to access the linked card. And that's it. You've connected two Trello cards using the card share link, making your workflow more organized and easier to navigate.